So one of our first clients in alcohol fulfillment here at Diamond Logistics is Sacred. Now Sacred started off, we knew them as Sacred Gin, but they've diversified into all sorts of different alcohols, including this, a red vermouth. They've got an amazing vodka, which I'm pretty sure I've got in here as well. In fact, Hilary from Sacred Gin and I enjoyed far too many espresso martinis in this very same bar only a couple of weeks ago. So we're going to make a classic Manhattan here, and it's a pretty grown-up drink, so only the grown-ups allowed to drink it. So Dan's going to have a go at this one for us. So Manhattan is 1 part red vermouth. Oh, that smells really fabulous actually. I love that sound. Isn't that the best sound in the world? And 1 part whiskey. This is Coach Built we're mixing that with. And I was not given instructions as to whether it should be shaken, not stirred. So I'm presuming, as Dan ate Mr. Bond, we'll give it a stir. There you go, Dan. What do you reckon?
Well, first off, it's the first time I've called a grown up. That's good. It's just pure alcohol. That's definitely my cocktail. It's smooth, it's got a bit of a bite to it, which is really, really nice. The scent is lovely. It's a really, really good scent. And very smooth. It's really smooth. The Coach Built together with the vermouth